Hi guys. So I have added all the videos in the Power BI playlist, the previous one video. If you learn step by step without missing anything, so I highly recommended you to watch this video because these video are the combination of the previous video and the Power BI and Power Query tutorial list. So if you missed that videos, watch it first, understand that concept clearly. Today topic managing and editing relationship. So if your Power BI reports giving you wrong number or slow performance or confusing filter or the problem is not a dex is a problem in a relationship. So in the most cases the relationship issue is wrong relationship. In this video I will show you how to properly manage and edit relationship in the Power BI like a professional. So come on the screen. See, this is the I have taken the screenshot from the videos from the Power BI. So click on the model view, and if you click on the model view, go to the home page, and home page just click on the manage relationship. So all the relationship you have done earlier, you will it will show like this. So where is the problem? Just need to select that uh, files or name of the table name and click on the edit button. So when you edit the button, click on the edit button. So it will launch a manage relationship dialog box or double click the relationship for the modify it, right? So this is the edit relationship box. So you check where is the problem. Maybe you selected the different primary secondary key. Okay, so select that key properly and then okay. So editing this tool to allow you activate or deactivate relationship and the manage cardinality and the filter direction. So which I will explain you more in later video. So now just try to understand how to edit the relationship. If I just make a wrong relationship through the primary and foreign key, you can click and edit your foreign and primary key from here, right? So let's open the Power BI and do it in the live and check how can we do in the Power BI. So I'll just open the Power BI. Power BI looks like this. So if this window appear like this, so that is a report view. You can check like this, or you can see here like this. So go down in the table in the model view. So click on the model view first and see there is a relationship which we did earlier in previous video, right? So let's suppose this is some problem here. So you simply need to go in the manage relationship, and let's suppose this is some problem in the customer key or order key or product key or temporary key. Where is the problem? You need to click on that video, sorry, that table. Let's suppose there's a problem here. Click here, edit button, and this dialog box will appear. See where is the problem. Maybe it's the date problem or where's the customer problem. So see, all things are correct. Looks like just close it. I'll check where's the problem. Let's suppose the problem is in this anywhere marriage relationship, and this sales uh, data connected for these many of videos. So you need to check where is the problem. Like order date problem. Just click here, edit relationship, and check where is the problem. Let's suppose this problem is like any other date here, so you can check it. So let's suppose this date is not the order date, this date is the stock date. So click on the stock date and save it. Make this relationship live and save it. So it's has changed. Just close it and click where we changed. See, if you click on the that icon, this is highlighted. You can see stock date and the date is highlighted. So earlier that was a order date. Okay. Now if you want to undo that or change anything, you can also click here and double click on that line and select that thing and make this selected eye and okay. So it's become like this. So this is the way to change the relationship, or if you did any wrong relationship in the Power BI model view, so you can check it, close it. I hope it's clear now. In the next video, I will explain more about the snowflake schema and the star schema. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.